York City, often hailed as the Big Apple or simply the city, is a vibrant and iconic metropolis that never fails to captivate the imagination. Nestled on the northeastern coast of the United States, this concrete jungle is a melting pot of cultures, a dazzling display of skyscrapers, and a haven for those seeking the pulse of urban life. Let's start with the skyline. The silhouette of Manhattan is a global symbol of prosperity and ambition. The Empire State Building, once the tallest structure in the world, still stands as a testament to the city's rise to economic prominence. Then there's the sleek and modern One World Trade Center, a poignant reminder of resilience and strength after the tragic events of September 11, 2001. As you navigate the city's streets, you're enveloped in a sensory symphony. The honking of yellow taxis, the chatter of pedestrians, and the scent of street vendors selling everything from hot dogs to halal food create a bustling urban soundtrack. The city's energy is palpable. It's the kind of place that makes you feel alive just by being there. New York's neighborhoods are as diverse as its people. From the trendy boutiques of Soho to the historic brownstones of Brooklyn, each area has its own personality. Central Park, a sprawling oasis in the heart of Manhattan, offers a refreshing escape from the concrete confines. The park's meandering paths, picturesque lakes, and iconic Bethesda Terrace provide a serene contrast to the city's frenetic pace. The city's cultural scene is unparalleled. Broadway, the epicenter of the global theater industry, beckons with dazzling lights and world-class performances. Museums like the Metropolitan Museum of Art and the Museum of Modern Art showcase an astounding array of artistic treasures, from ancient artifacts to cutting-edge contemporary pieces. And then, of course, there's the food. New York is a culinary paradise, boasting a gastronomic landscape that mirrors its diverse population. Whether you're indulging in a classic slice of New York-style pizza, savoring dim sum in Chinatown, or exploring the food markets of Williamsburg, your taste buds are in for a treat. But perhaps what truly sets New York City apart is its spirit, the indomitable will to overcome challenges and reinvent itself time and again. It's a city that embraces change, celebrates diversity, and pulses with an unyielding determination to be at the forefront of innovation and progress. In the city that never sleeps, every corner tells a story, every skyline hides a history, and every step you take is a dance in the rhythm of a city that has captured the hearts and minds of millions around the world. Welcome to the enchanting chaos of New York City.